Alright, what's up guys? We're gonna play a long road on Roblox. We got people talking about Lobster Hole and Vania did, so I'm not gonna stay here for long. I've played this game like a little bit, but I don't know. Been getting carried the whole time, so it doesn't matter. Got a 19th century car here, so I'm just gonna put this together. It's my first video, kind of. The videos posted on this channel when I was like 9, and then I took them all down because they were bad. So we're restarting and do something else. This car is ass, bro. Dear good lord. Just bought these tires at the fucking 99-cent store or something. Shit. Ooh. There we go. Oh, this one's nice. It's a good tire. Alright, tires are on. I'm gonna put the engine in there. Get the hell out of here. The audio might sound ass, I'm not gonna lie. I'm using a bad mic right now. Put the engine. I think that's good. What else do we have? We gotta put these on, huh? These are probably important. I don't think we need those. It's fine. Just need to put the fuel in the car. I don't know why the player decided to buy this really horrible, shitty car. Probably find this car in a junkyard during the Great Depression. Let's go get that shotgun or the rifle. Alright. I can't. There we go. Alright, time to drive. This game's pretty tame. Other than the occasional zombie. But you could just fucking shoot him and go. So we're all good. I think this is how you drive. Sounds like my car just ripped ass. Shit. Alright, there we go. It's the direction we're supposed to go. I'm gonna cut some of this shit out. God, there's light. It's been so damn long. Oh my god, yeah, this is like really fast. Alright, we're slowing down, we're good. This is what a family sees before they get hit by a drunk driver. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna crash into that pole. Or the gas station. Oh, let's stop here. Okay, my car's sliding down. Let's put this over there. Alright, we're good. Shit. Okay, my car is still driving. I don't know what let's get this. Is there a zombie in there? Oh god, this guy is so ass. Is there anything good in here? Smells like food. Is that a Mr. Beast bar? I would not recommend trying these, bro. These Mr. Beast bars are so bad. They're just like not good. I think they're more expensive than Hershey's anyway, so it's not like it matters. Just don't buy them. It's gonna be a pretty mellow video. I'm not gonna do much. I'm just gonna drive. Maybe we'll get lucky. We'll see something interesting. Right now, that's pretty tame. Nothing much yet. Is this the right way? Yeah, that's the right way. It's definitely the right way. It's not the right way, I'm gonna fucking cry. Yo, this cannot be safe, bro. Just driving here in the middle of nowhere. It's like you can find a goddamn mamba out here, bro. My render distance, or my graphics quality, it's just let me turn this up actually. Might as well just put it to max. I might lag a little bit. It's fine. Yo. We're good. Just Tokyo drifting a little bit. Shit. Oh my god. Alright, there's another house. Is this worth going into? Oh shit, I never turned my car up. Yo! It's still alright, we're not stopping here, bro. We're leaving the car open. We're leaving the car door open too. I'm not opening that again. So far, nothing really interesting's happened. Just kind of like fucking around. Let me see. Is there anything else close? Like, yo, this shit cannot actually just be safe, bro. What the hell's going on with my camera? We got infamously playing Cyberpunk. Yo, I'm gonna crash here. This might actually. Yo! No, we're good. Nothing bad happened. I just lost the door. Can we still drive? Is that an option? I should probably get that door. It's right here. That's perfect. Can I shoot through doors? Is that a fucking option? Oh no, there's no window anyway. What about this one? Alright. That was a nice waste of ammo. Just stuck. There. Can I still drive? Oh, my tire fell off. Bro. What the hell happened? I mean, I know I crashed, but like, our car's really this weak? Probably because we got like a discount car. Fucking, it's Rayleigh's or some shit. I don't know. This cannot be a nice car. Just looking at it. It's still bumpy. Jesus. damn door open. Oh, I closed it. That's cool. Okay, nothing really interesting happening so far. There's another house. We'll go there. Oh, there's another car. Wait, oh. Yo. It's fine. Oh. I swear to God, I can't grab that. Character's going through like an aneurysm right now. It's just not good. Alright, yeah. Fuck you. Piece of shit. There's an apple. Okay. What's in here? Oh wow, that's not that much. It's just not good. What's that? Okay, it doesn't matter. This was a worthless stop. It's wasted ammo. Ugh. Like slowly realizing just how this video feels boring. I would not watch this. Can't open it. If you guys have any suggestions for what kind of videos I should play, tell me, because I spent like an hour choosing the game to play. I just could not decide. So I was thinking about like maybe playing Undertale. I know it came out like before I was born, but why not? Sounds cool. Might be cool. Actually, I don't know how old Undertale is. I think it's like 10 years old at this point, which is, I'm not 10, but maybe, I don't know. Can I drive like this? This is kind of tough. Oh my God, there's finally road. Oh, thank God. Okay, am I gonna crash? I didn't realize how far from the mic I was until now. What's left? I didn't see what that sign said. It's fine. Okay, now it's like starting to get unbearable again. No. Thank God. There's another house. Am I stopping here? No, I'm not stopping here, bro. This is not worth it. It's not worth it anyway. Oh, yo! Alright, yeah, that's good enough, bro. I'm tired of this game.